Okay, so here we got the Bluetooth transceiver. Got this from Five and Below. That's the original case that it came in. This is the little speaker that was inside. Not a bad little speaker. But when I took it apart this morning, I accidentally broke the wire that went to the power. So I had to take matters into my own hands and just said, screw it, I'm going to put the headphone jack. I have a headphone jack here that I had wired to something else. It's mono, so it's only 2 wires. I was thinking, you know what, I'm going to resolder the battery wires and at the same time tie the speaker wires to the headphone jack. Now, I don't normally solder with digital stuff, but today I did, and thank God the mission was a success. So here we go. I'm going to show you that this thing works. We got our stereo. Hang on a minute. I got to flip this switch. There we go. Now, we have our trusty little cell phone. Old fashioned. It's good though. Hang on a minute. I gotta remember how the heck to work this thing. Just give me 1 minute. While I get this thing working, I gotta find Bluetooth. There we go, I found it. Alright, search new devices. Here we go. There we go. Ah, crap, enter passcode. Hang on. I think the passcode might be like 0000. Never had passcode before. Alright, echo speaker added. Connect now, yes. There we go. There we go. Alright. Now just give me 1 second here while I find some music. I'll show you that this thing works. You can do this. Any Bluetooth speaker, just get a headphone jack. Now I would say go to Radio Shack to get a headphone jack, but Radio Shack, as far as I know, is gone. I don't know though. Alright, I gotta find... Give me 1 moment. Bear with me a minute. Here we go. Alright, here we go. It's playing. Whoa! Too loud. Hang on a minute. I don't want to blow out the preamp in my stereo. It's not meant to have all that power going into it. It's good. Now you just adjust the volume on here. That's coming from here. See, watch. If I hit pause, it stops. Play. And as you see, just so you don't think I'm bullshitting, look, there ain't no wires connected. You've seen the Bluetooth. So there you have it. There you have it, my friends. You can do Bluetooth, like you can, hook wires up to Bluetooth transceiver. It's not rocket science. I gotta say, was kind of a pain in the ass, because you're working with these little tiny wires, and I had to solder 2 new wires to the board. Luckily, I didn't melt through it, but the mission was a success. Everything still works. So I'm happy, and now I can hook that up to my boombox. I can have Bluetooth from the boombox now. So, yeah, just figured I would show you that. I gotta go. I love you all, and I'll talk to you all later.